Juggling 20 plus renovation projects at once will chew you up and spit you out if you don't have the right systems in place. So I've been there, we've been there, burning cash, missing deadlines, getting buried in chaos. And that's why today I'm walking you through 6 key systems that we rely on to keep our high volume pipeline moving fast and on budget. And these are exact plays that we run here at WeRevive. And if you're running more than one project at a time, you're going to want to steal a few of these. So stick around. Number 6 is the one that changed the game for us. It's the one thing that keeps us constantly improving and ahead of that curve. Let's get into it. All right, here's system number 1. Weekly payments to your contractors. We pay our crews weekly. The simple cadence forces weekly check-ins and accountability to progress. If the progress doesn't match the expectations, we're catching it immediately. More importantly, it creates a rhythm for the crews. They know if they show up and the work gets done, that their guys get paid. It helps with the cash flow. Weekly checks, in this case, equals leverage, and it gives us better terms when we're negotiating the contract up front because we're helping them stay liquid. System number 2 is weekly budget reviews for us out of QuickBooks. Our PMs, our owner reps, don't just guess where they stand on that budget. They know it. Every single week, they get reports automatically out of QuickBooks that show them the actual spend versus the initial budget. And it's not just top line numbers. They see every single expense line by line. If something looks off or misclassified, they flag it early. That weekly rhythm gives us time to correct course before we're upside down. System number 3, we buy all those finished materials in-house. We don't trust our tile selection to chance. Contractors handle all the rough materials, the wood, drywall, concrete, paint, so on and so forth. But we supply all the finished materials, tile, cabinets, plumbing fixtures, lighting. That way we control the budget, the design, and the timelines. It also minimizes change orders and protects our crews from losing money due to material overages. And it allows us to go source materials from other creative places like Amazon, like Wayfair, where we can get really good designs for a lot less budget than you can at Home Depot. This is a big one. Number 4, Company Cam. This is a tool that we use for photo, evidence, and clarity. So Company Cam changed the game for us. It's a photo sharing tool built for construction teams. Everyone, our PMs, our acquisition team, our contractors, we all are in this, using it to document the project from the start to the finish. It gives us visual proof, allows in-app communication, and eliminates the need for Dropbox or Google Drive. It's accountability with a lens, and I can't recommend it enough. It has made us way more efficient. It's allowed us to get more out of our crews in documenting the progress of the project without our owner reps having to be there every single day. If you don't have this yet, I highly recommend it. Go download the tool on your iPhone, go sign up on your computer. So number 5 is big as well, and it's pretty simple. It's related to Company Cam, but we had to learn the hard way. We require our owner reps to boots on the ground twice a week. Again, simple. Our owner reps need to show up 2 times a week minimum. And when we're near the finish line, that goes up to 3 or 4 times a week. That punch list is important. We've got a project walk checklist that they follow for every visit. That checklist makes sure that they verify the scope, they're checking the quality, they're checking the quality control items, and they're tracking progress against our schedule and our budget. Every time they go, they have to fill that out. When we got lax on this, quality, time, and budget slipped. Accountability is everything. If the team knows what you expect and that you inspect it, they perform. Number 6, the big one. This one has made the biggest difference over time for us. We call this PDR. That stands for Plan, Do, Review. After a project wraps, we don't just move on to the next one. We do a post-mortem. As a team, everybody involved, we sit down and unpack the project. We ask ourselves what worked, what didn't, where did we screw up, and how can we go about fixing it? Or how can we bake in what worked into our system, into our process every time? That habit of reflection is how we use every single project we do to level up our game every time. It's baked into our DNA. Our number 4 core value is better every day. So to wrap up, managing a renovation pipeline at scale isn't about being a hero. It's about being smart. These strategies keep us lean, fast, and improving constantly, and they give our team structure, clarity, and the space to win. If you're managing multiple renovations right now or trying to get there, this is how you build the machine. You don't need to invent the wheel all at once, so to speak. Just start with one of these and then build from there. Please, if you've got something that I didn't talk about that's helped your projects run smoother, please drop it in the comments. We're always trying to get better and we have a lot of room to grow, that's for sure. See you in the next one.